Dear friends, my viewers and subscribers, now I am making use of this resting period to make all the vessels etc. Today I am going to make gooseberry or amla kit as a pickle. It into small pieces. Raw amla, I have to cut it like this. I am going to make the tokku of this nellikai. Already I have kept it, and now for you, just I have made already, and now I am just showing you how I did. I took the amla, cut it into small pieces. Then I took the chilli. I have taken half a kilo of it, and I have taken 1 tablespoon of 1 tablespoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and also 1 teaspoon of the fenugreek and also the mustard roasted powder. Apart from that, for seasoning, I have taken the mustard as well as the asafoetida. These are the things. But I have mixed all these things after cutting it, mixed all the things with the amla, and then I kept it for 2 days. Then now I am going to season it and make a tokku of it. For that I am using the oil. I am using this oil, that is gingerly oil, which will give a taste to it. I am taken 1 garlic and cut into small pieces and added while frying these masalas. I mixed all the masalas like this and then kept it for 2 days. Now I am going to make a tokku of it. These are the masalas. I have added say 100 grams of gingerly oil. We can add more also. Now it's very hot, and adding mustard. When it's better, I will add this also. Now garlic, and then adding curry leaves. Now keep it at the medium flame. I have mixed all the masalas. Now I am adding this. This is the soup. It's made into small pieces. I kept this for 2 days, not in the hot sun, just like this outside. But before that, we have to mix all the masalas. This is called tokku. Now mix it well. That's all. We have to mix it well. Mix it well so that the oil is absorbed by the tokku well. Then keep it in a dry, clean bottle when it is cool, and preserve it even for 6 months. That's all. Let it be there for 4 minutes. Is ready. So I am going to fill it in the clean bottle, a jar. Bismillah. Amla Tokku is ready to take. This can be preserved for even 1 year, but it should be kept in the airtight vessel and use the clean spoon. Hope you will like it, enjoy it. It is the nutritional recipe, of course having more oil and all, but for the teenagers and middle-aged people it won't affect. So it will help you, and I have used the minimum quantity of the masalas. You can enjoy this and keep your health. It is rich with vitamin C and iron, etc. Please, if you like, subscribe to my channel. Take care and be safe at home.